Hey everyone, Ja-Nae Duane here. One of the questions that people have always asked me is, how did you start Wild Women Entrepreneurs with $100? And really, well, it comes down to one word, and that's leverage. I was a struggling opera singer. I had no money. I was lucky I was able to give the $100 to start Wild We. But I knew that really resources in order to build a business come in different varieties. So that could be time, that could be money, that could be team. And what I did was I made a list of those things that I needed, and then I went out and found them. So for you, step one is figuring out, okay, what resources do I need? Do I need more time so that I'm not working in the business so much, but I can work on it? And I would then say, all right, well, if you're working in the business so much, then figure out what are those tasks that you're doing that are taking up so much of your time. And then either delete them, delegate them, or find processes to take over for you so that you can free up a little bit more of your time. Also, resources and leverage come in the form of team. And people will say to me, well, Ja-Nae, I can't necessarily afford to hire a full-time person. Well, there's no reason why you have to. There are a ton of contractors out there that want to work with people and work on their businesses with them. And so feel free to reach out to those contractors. Use those resources out there like Freelancer and Upwork who have contractors that want to help you build your business. And even if you can't afford a contractor, then I say, barter. I mean, that's where I was at when I started Wild We. And so I found other individuals who are looking to grow their business, and I bartered with them. And that's one of the ways we were able to scale Wild We to 55 chapters in 7 countries in less than 9 months. It was through the beauty of barter. And if you still need money for your business, well, then I say a few things. One, I say do some crowdfunding so that you can get a proof of concept either around a product or a service or even an offering that you have. And then instead of going the angel route or trying to raise Series A, do a friends and family round. See whether or not the individuals who know you best are willing to put money into your business and really invest in you. And as you start to find these lever points and figure out some of those resources that you need, feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to help connect if we can. So with that, I say go make some lists and figure out where you can leverage and start growing your business.